Ano yung tinuturo sa inyo sa school? Shoulder, knees, and
toes.
Okay, gawin natin ha? Okay. Ninakunan mo kami ni ha? 5, 6, 7, go! Head, shoulder, knees and toes, go!
And shoulder is the hose, this the hose. Head, shoulder, this and toes. Eyes, nose.
Ano yan? Loading naman.
Ano to? Nakalimutan mo na naman. Ano to? Hindi tayo mag-stop. Ano to? Mouth. Ulit. 5, 6, 7, go. Head, shoulder, knees and
toes. Head, shoulder is the toes. Knees and toes. And shoulder is the knees and toes. Eyes, nose, mouth.
Whoa!
Ulit na naman. 1, 2, 3, go.
5, 6, 7, go. Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
Nose.
Loading. Buffering.
Mouth.
Nakalimutan na naman.
Wala na internet.
Okay. Ulit. Yay! 5, 6, 7, go. Head.
Eh?
Nakalimutan na naman.
Stop dance.